So here we solved the questions yesterday, right? So doubts we will solve now. 18th question. What is the 18th question here? It is very easy, huh? So I will do it now. Okay, let us see how to do it. Okay, so if you see it here, I told you minus, before minusing you have to add these two. I told you, right, yesterday only. Yes. So because that is a bigger number, isn't it? So 6.6 minus 66 we cannot do. 66 is bigger than 6. So what we have to do first? Addition. So which is addition? This one and this one is addition, right? Yes, isn't it? Plus is there here, huh? So let us add that first. So what will be the answer? 6.6 plus how much? 600. Point you give, after that 006 and then 666. You have to add them. So what will be the answer here? 672.606. If you add it, you know addition and subtraction, we have to match the point, right? What you have to do? You have to match the point and write the digits. Okay, so you can get that answer. Now what you have to do? You have to minus this. How much first you minus? 66.06 you minus it. So how much you have to minus? 66.06. What will be the answer here?
18th answer is C.
Okay, good. So 6 as it is. I told you here nothing means we have to take zeros, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
So 6 minus 0 is 6 only. Says 0 minus 6 we cannot do, borrow it. It will be 4 and it will be 5 here and point as it is. Yes. So 2 minus 6 can we do? No. We have to borrow it. 12 minus 6 is how much? 6 here. 6 minus 6 is 0. So here 6 answer. 606.564. Now after that we did this one now. Next we have to minus this one, right? Yes. So if you minus this one you will get the answer. So how much it is? 606.546 minus next number is 60 point how much? 006. Right? The second number we have to minus it. First we did it, completed. Second number we have to minus it. So what will be the answer here? 6 minus 6 is 0, 4 minus 0 is 4, 5 point, 6 minus 0 is 6, 60 minus 6 is how much? 54. So answer will be 546 point.
Option C.
Yes, 546.54. Here 0 we cannot remove that and write it, because at the end 0 means nothing, okay, in the decimal place. Understand? So 546.54 will be the answer. Got it? Yes? Okay. So 9th question, right? So we told you yesterday only 1 divided by 4 we have to do. So if you want to do the division, I taught you how to do the division, isn't it? We have to divide with 4 here and 1 will be inside, isn't it? So 1 is smaller. If it is smaller, what we have to do? Tell me. We have to give point. So we have to give point directly. In the starting only we have to give point. So when you give point, what can we take? Tell me.
We can take 10.
10. We can take 10. So it will be 10. So 4 how many is? 4 2s are 8. So if you minus 8, how much will be remaining? 2. Already point is there. So already point is there means what can we take? We can take 10. So 4 how many is 20? 4 5s are 20. So answer will be how much? 0.25. 0.25 means 0.25 is the answer. Okay? Got it? Yes. See here 45 and 3600 will come in which table? Tell me. 9 table? Yes? Will they come in 9 table? So divide with 9 table now. Both. Okay, 9 how many is 45? Yes? 9 5s are. Okay, so 9 5s is 45. 9 how many is 36? 9 4s are 36. So 0 as it is we have to write. 0 as it is we have to write. So 5 divided by 400. Okay. So here what you do is you divide with 4. First you divide with 4 because 4 and 100 is there, right? So what you do is 5 divided by 400 is there. So 400 means you divide with 4 and then give 2 decimal places. So here answer once again I will divide with 4. Okay? Should I divide with 4 now? So if you divide with 4, 4 how many is 400? Yes? Tell me. 400 are. Right? 400 4s are 400. Isn't it? So we will divide with 4 here. Okay? So 4 if you divide, 4 how many is? 4 1s are 4, 400s are. 4 1s are 4, 0 0. Now we will divide with 4 here also. 4 1s are 4. Now how much will be remaining if you divide with 4?
1.
1 will be remaining. 1 is smaller. So if it is smaller, what we have to do? Tell me.
We should take point.
Point. We have to take point. So it will be 10 now. So 4 how many is? 4 2s are
10.
8. 4 2s are 8. So again 2 will be remaining. We can take 1 0. 4 how many is 20?
5.
4 5s are 20. So what is the answer here? 1.25 divided by 100. So I know, I told you, when there are 2 zeros, we have to take how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. So answer will be how much now? Yes? 0 1 2 5. Yes. So here if there are 2 zeros, we have to take 2 decimal places. 0.0125. Here in the denominator 2 zeros are there, right? Yes? So we have to take 2 more decimal places. Okay? Understand? So here these 2 zeros will change the decimal place 2 times. Shift it. Okay? So it will be 0.0125. Understand? Okay now? Okay, good. So 20 question you just have to minus it, right? So how? 436. You write the first number first. 436.7. Then you have to write the second number. Before writing that, we have to match what? Point. After point, what is there? 007. And before point, what is there? 124. Okay? So I told you, if there is nothing means what you have to take?
0.
Zeros you have to take. So now minus it. 0 minus 7 is 3. Here 9. Right? Now here 6. Point. Yes. 6 minus 4 is 2. 1. 3.
3.
So answer is how much? 312. 693. We should not read as 693. 1 we have to read. 693. 312.693. Understand?
21 is also
Now 19th one we will do. Shriya. Yes, it is very easy, ma'am. So I told you first we have to minus these two and then subtract the answer from that. First you minus these two. So that is 34.4 minus how much? 15.04. If there is nothing means what we have to write? 0. 0 minus 4 is 6. So 3 will be remaining here, right? So point as it is here. How much? 14 minus 9 is 5 is 9. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 19.36 you will get answer. Now next from this answer you have to minus this one now. So that is minus how much? 17.44. So what will be answer? 6 minus 4 is 2. 13 minus 4 is how much? 9. Point as it is. Here 8 minus 7 is 1. And then 0. So 1.92 will be the answer. What will be the answer?
0.
1.92. Yes. So see here fourth question, right? So fourth question is very easy. So see here, we first this minus this if you do, then it would be difficult. First you add it. This plus how much? this one. So what will be the answer? Here 37.21 plus how much? 41.13. So if you do, it will be how much?
78.34.
78.34. You have to read it as 34, 1 by 1 digit. Minus, next how much minus we have to do? 26 point?
61.12.
00 point, how much? 52. Okay, 52.00. Next we have to minus this one now, right? We did minus this one, then we minus this one now. Okay, yes. So minus how much? 34.78. So we have to borrow it, isn't it? So 2 here, point as it is. Here how much? 7, and here 1. 17.22 is the answer. Okay, so I told you the question is what? 17.22 you got. Read the question first, right? So simplification of these in fractional form. Which form we have to write this? Yes, fractional form. So we know fractional form, how do we write? If there is point, what you have to do? Divide with how much? There are how many decimal places are there? 2 decimal places. So how many zeros we have to divide? 100. 2 zeros with 100. Okay, so that is the answer. Now if you simplify this 17 and 22 by how much? 100. It will come in which table? 22 and 100? 2 table. Yes. So divide with 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Divide with 2 here also. 2 how many is? 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are. So answer will be how much now? Yes. Yes, option B, 17, 11 by 50. 17 and 11 by 50. Okay na? So you have to see here. Next questions we will go. Okay. So what is the next question here? 23. We did it. That is, I gave you homework. 24 question, right? So what is the 24 question? 6.25 divided by 0.25, right? 6.25 divided by 0.25. Yes, 25 is the answer. Okay, good. So here, if there is point, what we will do is, we will shift that. We will remove the point from the denominator. If there is denominator point, what? Denominator point is there, we have to remove it. What we have to do? We have to remove it. Why? Do you know table of 0.25? We don't know table of 0.25, but do you know table of 25? Yes? Yes, we know table of 25. That would be easy to divide. So we have to remove the point. Okay na? I told you. So if the point is there in the denominator, we have to multiply where? Yes? In the numerator. Right? Yes? So here, for this point, I am multiplying in the numerator by 100. Okay, and there are how many decimal places here? 2 decimal places. So I will be multiplying it here in the denominator, opposite. If it is in numerator, we have to multiply with the denominator. If it is in the denominator, we have to multiply with the numerator. Understand? Yes? Okay na? So if it is in the numerator, we have to multiply in the denominator. 2 decimal places are there, multiply in the numerator. If 2 decimal places are there in the bottom, multiply in the numerator. Understand? Yes? Okay na? Or shifting method. Will you remember the shifting method? That would be easy, I think. Okay? Shifting method we will do. Okay? we will shift the
Yeah.
point in the denominator. Okay,
Sir, can you tell?
yes, I will tell that. Okay, so what we have to do, shift the point in the denominator and numerator. Okay, shift point in denominator and numerator. Okay, so we will shift now. So if you shift it here, one time, two time, if you shift, it will go away. So same times we have to shift in the numerator also. Two times we have shifted in the denominator means we have to shift also in the numerator two times. So one time, two times. So what will be the answer here? Yes, 625 divided by 25. Understand? Yes? Okay na? Okay. So see here, I will tell. See here. So we have to shift the point. What you have to do? Shift the point in the numerator also and the denominator also. Okay. So first we should shift in the denominator. First where we have to do? Shift point. Okay. So first we have to shift the point in the denominator. Okay. Denominator, then where? Numerator. Okay. Understand? Same, we have to shift same times. Okay, how many times? That is same times. Okay, first we shift it to numerator, denominator, then numerator. Okay, so we will get 625 by 25 answer. Yes, understand? 625 by 25. So if you do with 25 table, directly we will do 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are how much? Yes, 50. So from 60 to 50 is gone. 62 minus 50 is how much? 12. So 12 if you take it, 125. 25 how many is 125? 25 5s are. So answer will be how much? 25. Okay? Yes. Yes. So that is the answer. Okay? So I will explain one more question, you will understand. See here. Listen.
In shifting method, we should take off the point, sir.
Yes, we should take off the point in the denominator. If it is numerator, it is fine. So see here, 25 question you will understand easily. So see here, we have to shift the point where first where do we have to shift? That is what I am telling. Listen first, listen here, listen first. I am telling. So first, where do we have to shift the point? Tell me. First, you have to shift in the denominator first. Okay, denominator, right? If you shift in the denominator, one point will shift. Same we have to shift in the numerator also, right? We have to shift the same in the numerator also, right? So same means only one time we have to shift. How many times we have to shift in the numerator now? Yes, only one time. Okay, so what will be the answer now? 4.49.3 divided by 17. So in the denominator there should be no point. What should be there? In the denominator there should be no point. It will be easy to divide. Got it?
Sir, in every sum we should. Sir, in denominator we should not be point only, sir.
Yes. Yes.
How many digits also?
Yes. How many digit also? That many. Okay. So I will tell you. Don't worry.
Sir, in every same sum we should.
Yes.
Shift it only one time. Shift your camera.
Not one time. How many times? That many times we have to shift. How many decimal places? That many times.
Can you shift your camera, sir? I cannot see.
Okay. So see here. One. So if you see in this 24 question, we shifted how many times? How many decimal places are there in the denominator? Below denominator 2. So we have to shift 2 times. In the 25th question, how many decimal places are there in numerator? Denominator 1. So one time you have to shift. Okay. So denominator, how many decimal places are there? That many times. Understand? Okay na? Then you divide it easily. So 17 twos are how much? 34. So if you minus 34, how much you will get? 15. Now point is there, right? If you take point, we have to give the point it here. Then we have to take the next digit 3 here. 17 how many is 153? Yes? 17 nines are 153. So answer will be how much? Tell me. Yes? 2.9. 2.9 means option A. Got it here? 26 is very easy. You have to do homework. Okay, same question like this, 25 only, right?
Yeah, sir.
Same as 25. Okay, so you do it. Okay, so we will do 27 now. Should we do 27? Huh? So what is the question? 64 divided by 0.16 here. So see here,
Sir, option is E, correct?
we'll see, we'll check it. Yes, option is C, not D, C. Okay, so here what is the answer now? Can you tell? Here how to do it is, there is point in the denominator. You know, we have to shift the point in the denominator first, right? So let us shift the point in the denominator one time, two time, but there is no point in the numerator. So what we have to give? Yes, we have to give 2 extra zeros.
Zero.
What we have to give? 2 extra
There are 2 zeros.
zeros we have to give when there is no point. Okay na? Understand?
Sir, one time is shifting 100, no, sir.
2 times we have to shift it here, right?
100.
Huh?
100.
Okay? Yes? Yes, you should divide, you will get the answer. Now how much? That is 16 fours are 64. Right? So 0 as it is, so 400 is the answer, option C. Got it here? How to do? That is, if there is no point, what you have to do? We have to give 0 extra, because there are 2 decimal places in the denominator. 1, 2. 2 decimal places, 2 times we are shifting. So we have to give, yes, we should give that much zeros. Okay na? Okay na?
So only point is not there.
If point is not there. Okay? Understand? Yes? Got it? So we have to give 2 extra zeros here. Okay? So then it will be 1600. Okay na? Yes. So write it down now. Here in the 28th question, first we shift the decimal place in the denominator, right? If you shift in the decimal place in the denominator, there are how many decimal places in the denominator? 2. 2 decimal places are there here. So if 2 times you have to shift. Now then we have to shift the numerator also. Only 1 decimal place is there. One time if you shift, one more time there is no to shifting, but we have to give 1 extra 0 there. Yes, we have to give one what extra 0 here. What you have to give? 1 extra 0, because no decimal place here. Nothing means 0 will be there. Okay na? Understand? So here 0 will be there. So then what will be the answer? 2430 divided by 9. You divide it and find the answer. Will you do it? Yes? Division? Okay? Good. So answer is correct. 200 and how much? 70. Yes, 270 is the answer. Okay? Good. So now 29 also is very easy. We just have done. So 73.67 divided by how much? 5.3. Will you do it as homework? Yes? Same as question number this one. We did it, I think, that second question here. 25 question, right? Same as 25 question only. Huh? So here 30 question is same as 26. Not 26, 24. Or 20, which? 27. Yes, I will send. So this question is same as 27 question number. Okay? Same it is. This is question number how much? 25. Same. Will you do it and find the answer? Yes? Okay. Try to do it. If you any doubt, you ask me tomorrow. Okay? Okay, good. 28 answer is 270, not 227. 270 is the answer. 270. Okay, divide it completely. Correct ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ division. Okay? So next. Now 31 is also easy. Will you do it 31 or should I do? It is little different. I will do. You will do homework? Okay, you do it as homework. Okay? 31 is also easy. Yes? Very good. Next 32. Will you do it homework? Good. Very good. There are two decimal places. Here only one. So we have to give one extra 0. Okay? Understand?
Sir, can you do 31?
31 is easy, ma. Okay, I will do it. See here, listen. So 31 question, right? So 1.4 divided by 3.7. First you shift in the denominator, then you shift in the numerator. So that is 14 divided by how much? Oh, it is in. Okay. It is in multiplication. It is multiplication. Yes. It is multiplication, not division. 31. Yes. Till 30 only division. 31 onwards it is multiplication. It is very easy. Multiplication how do you do? Yes. You write like this. 3.7 into 1.4. Now 14 table. 14 how many is? 14 sevens are? Yes. 98. 9 carry. 14 sevens are 98. 14 threes are 42. 42 plus 9 is how much? 51. Okay. So total how many decimal places are there now? Yes. Here 1 decimal place. Here 1 decimal. Total how many decimal places? 2 decimal places. So answer will be how much? 5.18. 2 decimal places we have to give. 5.18 is the answer. Okay na? Will you do like that then? 32 and all. Here 1 decimal place, here 2. So total 3 decimal places we have to give. Okay na? So you first multiply normally. What you have to do? You have to multiply these two numbers normally. 1 decimal place here, here 1 decimal place. Okay? So in the answer we have to give how much?
33, 34 is also same.
Yes. Yes. So here 31 you did it, right? So that is the answer, right? Then you take 1 decimal place here, 1 decimal place. Total how many decimal place? 2. So 2 decimal places if you give, what will be the answer? 5.18, like that. Okay na? Okay.
So, 30.
Okay, good. So will you do this question now? So 32. Okay, I will send this homework. Okay, 32. Will you do 32?
Yes, sir.
Very easy. Total 3 decimal places. Okay. Next 33. 33. What you should do? You should multiply these two first. Then with the answer you should multiply this one. Okay. First you multiply these two and the answer you multiply with this. Okay. Understand? 13 sevens are 91. 91 into 41 you do, and total decimal places, that is here 3 decimal places. Okay now? So answer will be somewhere. Okay. You do it. Understand? Here 34 is also same. First you have to multiply these two question and then answer you have to multiply with this. Will you multiply? Huh? Okay, good. Okay. So now 35 is not there for you. Leave it. 36 is not there.
is not there, sir.
34. 34 is there, ma. 35 and 36 is not there. 36 is also not there. Okay. 37, yes, you have to do. Okay, homework. Multiplication. Will you do?
Yes, sir.
38 is also same multiplication. 39 is also same multiplication only. Okay, 16 6 is 256. Answer 256 if you take. Here 3 decimal places, here 3 decimal places. Total how many? Yes? Huh?
Six, sir.
Total 6 we have to give here. Okay? So if you give 6, what will be the answer?
Option C.
Yes, these three, 6 total. So option will be option
C.
C. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Okay, good. So here also you do it. 40 question, 41. Okay, na? Should we go do it from 42 now? Yes? Let us do it from 42. Okay? Which number divided by 390 gives the same quotient as 6 divided by 0.65? Okay? Divided by 390 gives the same quotient as 6 divided by point how much? 0.65. So it is divided by, right? So 6 divided by 0.65 and gives which number is divided by 390. So which number is divided by 390? So which number is divided by 390? So divided by 390. So you will get the answer same they are asking. Same answer means we have to write equal to sign. Which number is there, right? Which number is question mark divided by 390 will give same answer means both will be same answer, equal. Okay?
Sir, B answer.
B answer,
Sir, not answer.
So see here we have to take it to this side, right? Cross multiply, isn't it? What we have to do? We have to do cross multiplication. So this question, this will go that side, question mark will remain. So here 6 into how much? Yes, 390. Okay, na? So if you, I told you 390 divided by, here in the denominator how many decimal places are there? Tell me here. 2. So how many zeros we have to multiply it here? Yes, 60.65 means it will become 65. How many zeros we have to multiply? 2 zeros, that is with 100. Okay, na? So it will be now 65. Now you divide and you will get the answer. Will you divide it or should I do? 6 into 390 into 100 divided by how much? 65. 65 will come in which table? 13 table? 13 how many is 65? 13 5s are. Here you divide with 13. 13 how many is 39? 3s are. 13 3s are. And 0 as it is. 30. Now 5 is there, right? 5 you divide. 5 how many is 30?
5
5 6 are. So answer will be how much now? What is remaining? 6 into 6 into 100. Right? So 6 6 are 36. 36 into 100 is how much? 36. 100. So answer will be how much here? 3600. Understand?
Sir, don't scroll the screen.
Okay, write it down. So see here, next if you see, that is, what is the question here? 43 is not there for your syllabus. 44. 44 is sum, means what you have to do, tell me? Addition. So you have to do addition of all these. Will you do addition of all these numbers? Huh? Okay, you find the answer.
It's option C.
Okay, good. Hmm. Now these type of questions are there, right? Okay, these are all like this only, huh? Okay.
Tomorrow, sir. So let me can do still 25. Okay.
Okay. Should we do it tomorrow? Hmm?
Sir,
Okay. We'll do it tomorrow, okay?